Meatball, zoo, 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 zoo. Meatballs, yakagos, yum, yum, yum. Meatballs, zoo, 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 zoo. Meatballs, yakagos, yum, yum, yum. I lost my glasses, and they've been gone for 3 days, so that means I haven't been able to see for 3 days. And I need my glasses to find my glasses, because everything is blurry and everything is meshing together. Somebody help me find my glasses. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating.
Hotshot! Rock, are you okay? You good, Vodka Bro? Yeah, fine, shut up. What was that just now? A patented Vodka Bro sneeze. That was a sneeze? Dang, I heard that from the roof. Everybody okay? Why were you on the roof? Oh, you know, just chatting with none of your business. Okay. Boy, round face sneezed first. But she's not the one with explosive mucus, apparently.